Hello, today we are going to train your English voice to use will and going to in sentences. When we talk about things in the future, we can use will and going to. We use will when we want to say something for the first time. For example, I will learn a new language. So perhaps I am saying this sentence for the first time out loud. I will learn a new language. We use going to when we have already decided to do something before we tell someone else about it. So have a look at this example. I am going to buy a new TV tomorrow. So tomorrow tells us that it is the future, and I use the words going to because I have already made this decision. I know that I am definitely going to buy a new TV tomorrow. We can use both when predicting the future, something that hasn't happened yet. Let's have a look at some examples. I can't believe he was so rude to me. I am going to unfriend him. So remember, we unfriend someone through the internet on a specific website. Okay? So that is something that I have planned to do, and I have decided that I am going to do it. Okay? Going to tells me it is something I am going to do in the future. I am busy with my vlog now. I will do it later. So perhaps I have asked you to cook dinner, but you're busy with your vlog. So you are saying I will do it later, and you are saying it for the first time. Okay? I am asking you for the first time to make dinner, and you are telling me for the first time that you will do it later. I think this will be the most popular post. I think this will be. It tells us it's in the future. Now have a look at 4. I think this is going to be the most popular post. So will and going to in those sentences are both correct, and they mean the same thing. Excellent job today with will and going to. Goodbye.